Hi everyone, it's late May. We're here on the Greater Manchester Challenge down here in Chatham Marina, and we are sanding and oiling and clearing and doing all sorts of things on deck. It's sweltering below, so very, very happy to be up here. We've got a new transatlantic team member, Dom, behind us in the blue t-shirt. Dom I've known since I was born. We got into a hell of a lot of trouble, and now we're offsetting it with something more wholesome.
And then the best part is when we use the big orange one, the sign.
Okay.
Men, tell us what's going on here. It's going to warm you up for the camera, Dom. This is Dom's first time.
So we're sanding with this beast. So before we can re-oil, so you'll see that this section has been oiled, has been sanded and oiled, and so we're finishing off the rest of the deck up to the end here and that section there. And so we're doing a bit of extra sanding, and then with this chunky guy, then we'll be doing some finer sanding to get rid of these bits here, and then then we'll be oiling it up, and I think we'll probably be doing another couple of layers of
We'll
of
just,
oil.
over time, we'll just keep on whacking oil off.
So you're the oil boy.
The oil.
Excellent. I'm looking forward to that.
We are being taught how to do a reef knot.
What's up? How you doing?